Take your boots off, leave them on the beach, forget the complications. Outflow intake, life cycle, water cycle. Outflow intake, waste putting equals waste getting. I'm just a part of the flow, there's no control in it. Do you fight it or do you ride it? On the beach, on the beach, on the wave, a natural wave of life. An expedition to the unknown, a new wind, a new wave, a new tide, a new sunrise, a new discovery. As the sun comes up, blink as the salt washes your eyes. Baptized by the swell, duck dive. A surface for air. I'm just a part of the flow. There's no controlling it. Do you fight it? Do you ride it? He's searching for his wings. Been around the world, he's seen a million things. Still he can't find just what he needs. Doesn't matter where you go, around the corner or the cubby hole, still he's searching. The boy's got hope in a headlock this time. The border's on upsea, still he's dreaming his dream. Funny thing about extreme gravity. Hot air balloons can take you so far among the clouds and near the stars. Eventually we're gonna make its way back to the ground. Boy's girl's got hope in her headlock this time. The border's on upsea. Still he's dreaming his dream. Funny thing about extreme gravity. Gravity. The edge feels like we're going down. Life blurs slow and before you know it, on the ground. Funny how broken pieces scatter like strange that it's more beautiful shattered. Standing down here on the ground, nothing looks the same. Can't put it back together like it was before when we start to blame. Funny how we tried so hard to trace the way that we weren't happy in the first place. So let's run hand in hand from what we used to be, through the fear and pain to find out who we are. Turn the page, find the truth, do what it takes to make it through. You're the last thing I ever want to see. Whenever I fall with me. Picking up all the pieces, don't know where to start. My life laid out in front of me like a damaged art. Funny how it's easy to find the edge. We build a frame that's picture perfect brokenness. The border's drawn and now it's waiting on a life to hold. A picture of what's yet to come or just retold. Funny how creation draws a crowd for a chance to see what love built all come falling down. So let's run hand in hand from what we used to be, through the fear and pain to find out who we are. Turn the page, find the truth, do what it takes to make it through. You're the last thing I ever want to see. Whenever I fall with me. So let's run hand in hand from what we used to be, through the fear and pain to find out who we are. Turn the page, find the truth, do what it takes to make it through. You're the last thing I ever want to see. Whenever I fall with me. night, doesn't sleep for days. I guess he's carrying something that the pillows can't take away. Well, I feel just like him, except for me it's double. Well, darling, I got you, and honey, you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. I used to not need nothing, but now trouble is all I need. Well, Tessie loves excitement, can make a dull moment a thrill. She does whatever she wants, and then she puts it on my bill. Well, that ain't so expensive, I got it covered in my sleeve. You see, darling, I got you, and honey, you're trouble.